Hi everyone and welcome back to the next video in this series where we've got another Microsoft 365 Message Center update for you. So we're going to jump straight in. I don't think I need to introduce myself every time that I do this, but we've got an update now where the top senders and recipient report is to be retired. There is some action required by March the 6th. This is when it's going to be gone. So if you use this report, then there's something you need to do in its place. So basically, Microsoft will be retiring the top feature. Microsoft will be retiring the feature, the top senders and recipients report from Microsoft Defender for Office 365, and that will be happening on March the 6th. Instead, they recommend the utilization of the threat protection status report, which is where they will continue to invest. So the information is still going to be available, may not be in exactly the same form, I haven't looked at it, but if you are currently using that report, the top senders and recipient report, in Windows Defender, then you need to move to the new report in the threat protection status report. Okay, so that is going to happen on March the 6th. That's not very long away. So if you are using that report now, please get ready for March the 6th and make sure you're prepared to move forward. Okay, that's all we've got going on now, and hopefully that is relevant to you. And thank you, and I'll see you next time.